It's been called the most promising place for alien life in our solar system, a frozen world covered in a thick shell of ice with something incredible hidden beneath, a vast global ocean stretching deeper than any sea on Earth. This is Europa, one of Jupiter's largest moons, and it may just be the place where we finally discover extraterrestrial life. For decades, scientists have been searching the universe for signs of life. We've scanned the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, listened for signals from the stars, and sent rovers to Mars. But what if the answer has been right here in our own backyard all along? Beneath Europa's icy shell, something stirs, something moves, something may be alive. Tonight, we dive into the depths of this alien world. We'll uncover the secrets hidden beneath its frozen surface, explore the evidence that points to life, and ask the ultimate question: could we already be on the verge of the greatest discovery in human history? The search for life starts now. Jupiter has 92 known moons, but one stands out from all the rest. Europa, a frozen world slightly smaller than Earth's moon, has captivated scientists for decades. But what makes this moon so special? Why is it considered one of the best candidates for alien life? The answer lies beneath its surface. Unlike Earth's moon, which is a dry, lifeless rock, Europa hides something remarkable: a global ocean beneath its icy shell. Scientists estimate that this ocean contains more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Let that sink in for a moment. A single moon of Jupiter may have twice as much water as our entire planet. But it gets even stranger. This ocean is not frozen solid. Thanks to the powerful gravitational pull of Jupiter, Europa experiences intense tidal forces. These forces stretch and squeeze the moon, generating enough heat to keep its subsurface ocean in liquid form. Despite temperatures on the surface plunging to minus 160 degrees Celsius or minus 260 degrees Fahrenheit. In other words, Europa may have the one key ingredient necessary for life: liquid water. Water alone isn't enough to guarantee life. But Europa has more than just an ocean. It has all the right conditions to support life as we know it. For one, we've detected organic molecules on Europa's surface. These carbon-based compounds are the building blocks of life, the same types of molecules that led to the evolution of life on Earth. But that's not all. Hubble Space Telescope observations have revealed something even more stunning: gigantic water plumes erupting from Europa's surface. Shooting over 100 miles into space, these plumes suggest that the ocean beneath is actively interacting with the surface, potentially exchanging nutrients, minerals, and even microbial life with the outside world. And then there's the most exciting clue of all: hydrothermal vents. On Earth, the deep ocean floor is home to strange alien-like ecosystems powered by hydrothermal vents. Hot, mineral-rich water spewing from cracks in the sea floor. These vents provide the perfect environment for life, teeming with bizarre creatures that thrive without sunlight. If Europa has similar vents at the bottom of its ocean, it may have life thriving in the darkness, just like Earth's deep-sea hydrothermal ecosystems. If life exists on Europa, what would it look like? Would it be simple, microbial life? Or could something larger, something more complex, be lurking beneath the ice? Scientists believe that if Europa does harbor life, it would likely resemble the creatures that live in Earth's deepest, most extreme environments. We're talking about bacteria-like organisms, tube worms, jellyfish-like creatures, and possibly even alien fish-like beings, adapted to live in total darkness. But some theories go even further. Some scientists speculate that because of the rich chemical energy sources available in Europa's ocean, life could have evolved into more complex, intelligent forms. Could there be alien creatures lurking in the deep, ones capable of sensing, hunting, and even communicating? At this point, we simply don't know. But if Europa's ocean is anything like Earth's, then something is down there, waiting to be discovered. If Europa truly holds life beneath its icy surface, then how do we find it? How do we explore an alien ocean buried beneath miles of frozen crust? The answer? NASA's Europa Clipper Mission. Scheduled for launch in the mid-2020s, the Europa Clipper spacecraft will be humanity's most advanced attempt to study this mysterious moon. It won't land on Europa, but it will perform dozens of close flybys, gathering high-resolution images, scanning the ice for chemical signatures, and, most importantly, analyzing the water plumes that shoot up from Europa's surface. If Europa's ocean contains life, these plumes might be our best chance of detecting it, without even drilling through the ice. But what if we want to go deeper? What if we want to see what's actually beneath the ice? The biggest obstacle to exploring Europa's ocean is its thick ice shell. Scientists estimate that the ice is anywhere between 10 to 20 miles thick, making it almost impossible to reach the liquid ocean beneath. So, how do we get through? Scientists have proposed several solutions. Nuclear-powered ice melt probes. These robotic devices would generate heat, slowly melting through the ice while carrying scientific instruments on board. Cryobots with drilling lasers. Using high-powered lasers, these probes could bore a hole through the ice and deploy mini submarines into the ocean. Exploiting natural cracks, if we land in the right spot, we might be able to send small robotic swimmers into naturally occurring fissures in the ice, reaching the ocean without drilling at all. But even if we make it through the ice, the real question remains: what will we find waiting in the darkness? Imagine being the first human to see what's lurking in Europa's ocean, a deep, black abyss, untouched for billions of years, a place where no sunlight reaches, where the only sources of light come from bizarre, glowing creatures hidden in the depth. This isn't science fiction. This is the next step in our search for life beyond Earth. After the Europa Clipper mission gathers data, the next logical step is to send an actual submarine beneath the ice. NASA has already begun developing autonomous underwater vehicles designed for extreme environments. These robotic submarines would be dropped into the icy waters of Europa, where they would scan for signs of life, sampling water, analyzing chemical signatures, and even capturing footage of whatever lurks below. But exploring an alien ocean isn't just about finding life. It's about survival. Because Europa is one of the most dangerous places in the solar system.